Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we will discuss how we can convert post to page. And for that we can use post switcher plugin, and we will discuss about this plugin in the next video. And today we will discuss by a code. Uh, so. Uh, and In this video I will explain you without loss any content we can do this. So first go to snippet and click on add new snippet. And now I have code for it. And paste code at here I just edit one function at here, and then call it. So you can also put this in your child theme if you want to edit in child theme, and then you can go at here and you can put at child theme function.php. At here you can put both will work. So at here I am okay, now adding some name. And now I have this is post 8, so I want to convert it to the page. So first copy ID of this post, so it is 168. You can also go at here and click get it is 168. So go at here and enter 168, and then click on activate. Now check, currently it is showing edit post, so as a post. Now it as a page. So you can change any post via this code. And when it is done, then remove this code or deactivate this code, because now it is not required. It is already converted into page. That's it guys. And now you know how to convert post to page in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorial. Drop your question or experience with migrate post to page in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.